and welcome back, and I am here with the answer to my part of the discrepant event. If you recall, when I finished that last question, my volumetric flask had more than 500 milliliters present. So this is where the 500 milliliter line should be, and if you notice that that liquid volume is above where my finger is. So now the reason behind this, the reason I had that bigger volume was because in these two original volumetric flasks was an acid and a base. So I'm going to show you on a molecular level what happened. So both of the reaction was done in an aqueous solution, meaning that water was your solvent. So these molecules out here, these four in the corner, represent the water molecules used for solvent. This molecule right here was the base that I used in the reaction, sodium hydroxide. So the silver bead here is your sodium atom. And then over here is my molecule of hydrochloric acid. And we know that when we do neutralization reactions, you always form salt and you always form water. But this is also an example of a double displacement reaction. And so what's going to happen is this acid molecule and base molecule are going to react with one another. Hydrogen from the acid, which is this white bead, is going to switch with sodium, which is the silver bead of this molecule. And so when those bonds break, we will have them rearrange and reform to make your products. And so now I have a product of sodium chloride. And again, the silver bead is sodium. This is your chlorine, so sodium chloride. But look what I formed. I've got a water molecule. So I have four water molecules that were my solvent. But now I have a fifth water molecule, which is acting as a product, but I'm adding an additional solvent molecule. So I'm actually, in this solution, making more solvent, which is the reason that my volume is greater than the 500 milliliters predicted. And again, that's because I made water, which is more solvent.